I'm going to show you a coin that has huge 100x potential. Put my money where my mouth is, because I think it could do well. If it sounds interesting, drop that like, give me a subscribe. Which one am I talking about? Am I talking too fast? It's okay. Okay, so I'm talking about Cetus. For those that are new, stick around. Cetus is a decentralized exchange for SUI or SWI. It says build on Aptos, build on SWI. So you can use this for Aptos as well. Well, look, it's a decentralized exchange. Many people are using this for the SWI network. Whether it's to do with DeFi, memes, they're coming over here and they're coming onto Cetus and then they're buying and they're swapping cryptocurrencies, memes and all sorts, right? Now, when I look at this Cetus, I see PancakeSwap in its early stages. If you was around in 2020, 2021, like seriously, please, pay attention. If he was around, I made massive gains off this, but I know more people that got in early on this DEX before I did, and they just came out millionaires, and that's not a joke. Like, I wish I'd known before what DEXs really were about, because I would have put serious money in. So Cetus is like your PancakeSwap for the SWI network. SUI, SWI, whatever you want to call it. And if you take a look at Pancake, had you got in right back here when it was like 20 cents, 26 cents, you would have made absolute life-changing gains. Because you know what happened? Look, $42. That's mad gains. That's like 400 or 500x. And the reason that happened was because Binance Smart Chain became really, really popular. People started doing loads of DeFi. You know, you can stake loads of different coins, make passive income. And then you could do loads of different memes. You know, loads of baby Doge and all this stuff came about. Right? Loads of different flipping memes. It just blew it up. Now, you recently experienced this with another project called Solana, or another coin called Solana, and Solana has its own DEX as well. Look at the market caps, right? Look, because Jupiter is a decentralized exchange for, what's it called? Solana. You got Radium as well. Jupiter's the most popular, $1 billion, $1.12 billion inside this project. There's huge amounts of money flowing through this, right? So I see the potential with decentralized exchanges. Not many YouTubers talk about them, but I think you should pay attention, because it's almost like a hidden golden treasure. It's like if the chain's going to blow up, it's going to need a decentralized exchange, because people are going to want to do lots of DeFi. That could blow up too. And this is your proof of it right here, because this is sitting on over $1 billion. PancakeSwap right now is about, what's the market cap? $550 million. Fully diluted. Does it say fully diluted? Where's the fully diluted? Fully diluted, 900 million, almost $1 billion. That's because all the tokens ain't circulating. But look how low it is down here. When it was up here, we are talking, was it hundreds of billions? It was easily tens of billions. Huge amounts of money in PancakeSwap. And it wouldn't surprise me if it goes back there again in the future. Then you got things like Uniswap. These are the things that I'm looking at. It's got $4 billion in it. This proves that if the blockchain, whether it's Ethereum, Solana, SWI, if it does well, you're going to have a decentralized exchange that's going to do really well as well, because memes blow up. Tron's been blowing up massively. You've got the Sun token that's been doing really well. It's a decentralized exchange. Just got to keep it real. So I'm looking at this because I think SWI is going to perform extremely well. I have to put money in the next big decentralized exchange. This is it right here. What's the market cap? Right now, it's 29 million, almost, let's call it 30 million. 30 million market cap. Compared to your $1 billion, $4 billion, this shows how much money that can come into these types of decentralized exchanges. You got to go down the rabbit hole through the looking glass to look at a different type of an investment that could probably pull through well. DeFi, my words getting twisted. DeFi will live forever, I think. Decentralized finance will live forever for as long as the internet exists, because people just want to control their own, custody of money. They want to make their own gains. They don't want to be putting it into like bonds and stuff that just give you a little 2% or whatever it is. They want to come onto things like this. They want to look at what they have to offer, the pools and stuff, and they are very attracted to things like, where is it? Right here, 253%. even at its worst. Hold on, let me just come to the point. Hold on, I'm getting it. Pause. Even at its worst, 17%. 73%. There's one here, 1.8%. I wouldn't touch that, but all the other stuff, 96%, 100%. These are the things I like. Farm it, you take your blub, take your sweet, farm it, get 100%. What's this? Flipping 900%. It's mad. These are high risk. You have to understand, what's it called when you do farming? Something loss, impermanent loss. You better understand that. But once you do understand that, you could make massive. This is mad. 923%. It's mad. This is what happened with Binance Smart Chain. He was around, right? If you was, these were the kind of APYs we were seeing. And I said to you, on SWI, you're going to see it because not many people are accustomed to SWI. Many people are still trying to learn how to get onto it, how to set up the wallet, go over there and start doing stuff. This will eventually go down an APY, but this is where people make millions because they grasp the opportunity. And what do? They come onto Cetus, they use Cetus, they make the pairs and everything else, the liquidity pairs, they use the platform does well. Look at it, $8 million. Guarantee you in the future this will go up to $100 to $200 million or more. And then look what's locked already, 150 million locked. It will go up even higher because people are favoring SWI right now as a next blockchain to blow, like Solana did. So if it does, this is going to just be one of the best performing projects. I'm telling you now, do what you want. I don't care what you do. Have I got big money in this? I don't know. What have I got in this? I don't know. I might stack up. I was hoping it falls down a bit more so I can buy some more cheap. I don't know if it's going to though. If it does, cool. If it falls to 5 cents, I'll buy some more. But I've probably got, I don't know. It doesn't matter what I got. Anyway, I'm just trying to show you an opportunity of what I'm invested in. And yeah, so patrons, you saw the buy alert on this, roughly around about this price anyway. Let's have a look. So, billion tokens in supply. What's circulating right now? 280 million of the tokens circulating. Fully diluted, 106 million. So if this does a 10x from where it is now, it goes to 299 million, which is 300 million. 100x goes to $3 billion. I think it's very doable. If SWI is to perform well, I think it could go there. I think it could do really, really well. But remember, it is fully diluted. So the fully dilution, that will eventually, people will start, because people got in early on this on a pre-sale, they must have. So eventually people will start selling the free tokens that they have. I don't know how long it lasts for, meaning how long the vesting period is. It might be over 2 years. You can go onto things like Crypto Rank and then you can find all this information to see how long the vested period is. Let's have a quick look. So Cetus. Let's have a quick look, see what the vested period is, see if it's long. Because if it's like 2026, 2027, you're fine. Yeah, that's how long it's going to take for these people to get their tokens just to sell it. So you know that they can't dump it on you this cycle. Look at this. This goes right through to, can I move this to the side? This goes right through to May 2020, well, it ends about 2020, I don't know, 2025 maybe? Because that's May 2020, maybe 2020, end of 2024, 2025, mid 2025. So most of the tokens have been, circulating already, according to this. I don't know, can I move this across? Because sometimes you can move it. No, it's not letting me move it. So yeah, that's how you do things like that. So yeah, I think it's a good buy right now. I think that in the long term, this can perform really, really well. What you're looking at here, all of this on the chart, you could be seeing this bit down here, all the red. And if I zoom this back in, you'll understand what I mean. Let me zoom it right back like this. Hold on, let me get the little this and then bring it back like this. We could be looking at something like this. All this red here for Pancake, that's what we could be seeing right here for Cetus, all this red. And then in the future, it just blows just like this. And then it goes from like 22 cents. See 22 cents? Just shoots up to like $42. Mad gains. Let me show you how much that is. It's just, if SWI is going to be favorable, people are going to keep talking about SWI. Yeah, you have to expect that something like this, the Cetus can blow. That's 190x returns. Felt like it was more, but yeah, still, that's big gains. That's mad. $1,000 turns to 190 grand. 10 grand turns to 1.9 million. This is how people are made. So I want to leave it here, short, sweet, and simple. If it's helpful, drop the like, give me subscribe. Didn't even look at this. There are probably other great things about Cetus. I was just talking about it because it's really talking about empowering liquidity with DeFi and stuff. I just looked at it like it was the next big Uniswap or Pancake. So I don't know. Shall I quickly touch on this real quick? Maybe I'll leave it for another video. I'm sure there's loads of other things that you can do with this, like audits and stuff. All things that you want to see. Look, backers. Look, OK Exchange, KuCoin Ventures. Look, Animoca. You got SWI there as well, obviously. Yeah, this is a good buy, man. This isn't like one of your little silly decentralized exchanges trying to do something. They've got big backing already behind this. KuCoin alone is a big backing. Animoca Ventures, yeah, man. So this is why I want to share it to you. So guys, I'm gonna leave it here. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Become a Patreon if you like. The link is in the info section. They see when I'm buying, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.